You have fun, honey?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Just got done diving here in Oconto, Wisconsin at the Oconto Riviera venue. Found some cool stuff today, met some cool people. We've got Riley right here and Rhea. No, Rhea, I'm gonna look at. We got Riley, and Riley runs this venue. And I've got Rhea and Maya.
Yeah.
You got it.
Correct?
Yeah.
And your daughter, Rhea, actually helped us a lot. She helped carry all this stuff up here, Christie and I, and she's cheering us on from the banks.
Girl.
So we actually found something of yours today. Can you tell us a little story about this radio there?
Yeah, my two-way radio. I was walleye fishing about 4 years ago, and I bent over to get a fish out of the water, and it fell out of my front pocket off the dock there, and apparently it sat there for several years, and looks about as good as the day I dropped it in there.
Yeah.
So we'll have to dry it off and see what happens. I've got 5 more.
5 more, and Christy found that one for you. So
I did. I was pretty excited. You can have it back.
Yes. Returvis or whatever kind. These are far and away, I highly recommend. These two-way radios are crystal clear. They have a super long range. They come in a 6-pack with a little charging station on them.
Yep.
They're just hands down the best two-way radios. They're bulletproof. They're plastic. You can leave them out. I've left them outside in the rain and whatnot.
Yeah.
Shout out for these.
Hey, might still work after you dry her
They're
out.
fantastic.
Another cool find we got today was this bait gun. I've never seen anything like that. I got a bunch of bottles here. Got a full one right there. Some secret salad sauce here. A green bottle. Milk bottle here says half pint liquid. It's sealed 1/11/14. That's 1914. Nice vase here. Christy found a really nice bottle here, but it ended up breaking in the process of getting it up here. She also found this other cool bottle right here that says Horlicks. This one here. Another cool one right here. There's a bottle right here that says 2.5 fluid ounces on it. That's all I see on it. Got an inkwell right here. Diamond Inkwell, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Got some lures today. This cool little thing right here, I don't know what it is. It says Oconto National Bank on it. Oconto, Wisconsin. Really cool piece of broken glass here that'll shine really good in the UV light. Rod holder. Some other random stuff. Old beer cans. A lot of broken glass, and we found so many of these broken milk bottles, and I wish we could read what they all were, but they're broken. An old wine bottle right there, part of it, and this whole thing is just full of glass.
Yeah, so the important thing is it's out of the water now.
Exactly. Found a bunch of shoes right here, a couple horseshoes, horseshoes, 2 axes here, and I don't know what this big metal thing is right here, but it's pretty heavy.
Hubcap.
Got a hubcap. You want to flip it upside down? The other way.
What is it?
The guy's head. There's the guy's head on there. There you go.
What kind is it though?
I don't. Someone in the comments will know.
Okay.
Okay. This here looks like it was a piece of a bathtub. Is that you said,
Yeah,
Ryan?
that's what I said, yeah.
Rhea.
Yeah.
Rhea. Got it. And then looks like a trap. And you were thinking it was maybe an otter trap or something?
Just a guess.
Looks like some kind of trap.
Yeah.
But I was just kind of worried about messing with it because it looks like it's still set up. Could spring anytime.
That's the last thing we need.
On a paddle here, some chain, and I have no idea what this is. An old pump of some kind.
It was a beautiful day to dive in the Oconto River. We had a blast, saw some smallmouth bass, and it felt really great to get all of that glass and litter and treasures out of the Oconto River.